What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO credit card, converting your credit limit into cash. Paano nga ba i-convert yung credit limit natin sa BDO credit card into cash nang kahit wala yung promo code? Kasi guys, minsan nagpo-promo si BDO, nagpapadala ng promo ID, kahit walang ganon, pwede kayong makapag-request ng converting your BDO credit card credit limit into cash. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung steps para sila yung tumawag sa inyo at hindi nyo na kailangan tumawag sa kanila. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. So unang-una guys, kailangan nyo pumunta sa web browser or Chrome, kung Safari, kung naka-iPhone kayo sa Safari. Then i-search nyo guys yung, ayan nakikita nyo guys, nasa Google Chrome tayo, ayan. Then i-type nyo yung BDO Cash Installment. So as you can see guys, ayan nakita nyo naka-type na siya. Then lalabas itong ganito. Cash Installment Credit Cards, Cash Installment Amortization Calculator. So dito kayo guys sa Cash Installment Credit Cards. As you can see guys, Cash Now Pay on Installment up to 36 months. So yung maximum tenurement or yung terms of payment ni BDO guys is up to 3 years lang siya or 36 months. Pag click nyo yung Cash Installment Credit Cards, lalabas to, BDO Installment Programs. Tapos yung kailangan nyo gawin guys is scroll down nyo siya. Pagka-scroll down nyo guys, makikita nyo to. Cash Installment with BDO Credit Cards, Cash Now Pay on Installment up to 36 months. Convert your credit limit into cash and enjoy low monthly add-on interest rates with your BDO credit card. Ayan, nakikita nyo guys, avail cash. Huwag nyo munang i-click yung avail cash na yan. I-scroll down nyo siya pababa kasi baka may promo sila na up to 0.45% lang. Kasi yung regular interest ng BDO credit card, converting your credit limit into cash is 1% siya guys. Tapos, yung gawin nyo is scroll down nyo siya. Baka may makita kayong promo. Makikita nyo itong cash installment promo offers kasi baka masakto may promo. As you can see guys, BDO installment card, get cash now from your BDO installment card and get up to 100% of your available credit limit. Para ito sa mga BDO installment card, exclusive itong promo na to. Tapos yung gawin nyo guys is i-swipe nyo siya pa kaliwa para makita nyo kung yung hawak nyong credit card is pwede din or available din sa promo offers na yan. Kasi ito guys, para sa BDO installment card, nakalagay is, sa installment card to na promo is, enjoy as low as 0.48 monthly add-on rate. Promo period from February 1 to April 30. Tapos ngayon, sa cash installment promo offers naman na iba, sa ibang credit card, Shopmall, Visa Gold, JCB Gold, or sa Union Pay, dito BDO credit cards, get cash now for essentials and pay on installment up to 36 months. Enjoy as low as 0.48 monthly add-on rate. Yung gawin nyo guys is i-check calculator nyo siya. I-check nyo yung possible monthly amortization ng balak nyong i-loan. Halimbawa guys, ayan, as you can see, pag clinic niyo yung check calculator, pag chinek niyo yung check calculator, lalabas, cash installment amortization calculator. Enter the desired amount, preferred cash installment amount. Then ilalagay nyo guys kung magkano yung balak nyong i-loan sa BDO or yung balak nyong i-cash it easy sa credit card ninyo. Kumbaga, i-convert nyo yung credit limit ninyo into cash. Type nyo yan kung magkano. Halimbawa guys, nilagay ko is 65,000. Then i-click ninyo yung compute. Pagkalabas guys, ayan makikita nyo result. Preferred cash installment amount is 65,000 pesos. So as you can see guys, slide 1 of 4. Term 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36. Then yung factor rate niya is 0.32. Then ngayon, i-swipe nyo siya pakaliwa, swipe left, para makita ninyo yung sample monthly amortization. Ayan, nakikita nyo, 36 months is 2,124. 24 months is 3,020. Hanggang 3 months siya. 22,310 sa 65,000. So ngayon guys, as you can see, habang patagal ng patagal yung tenurement niya or term, umabot ng 36 months, mas maliit yung babayaran yung monthly, pero mas mataas yung magiging interest niya. Ngayon, yung maganda naman kapag 3 months lang, mabilis nyo lang siya mabayaran, yun nga lang, malaki yung magiging monthly amortization niya, pero maliit lang yung ipapatong na interest dyan kasi maiksi lang ninyo babayaran agad yung loan ninyo. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo kaya bayaran yung 3 months lang, pwedeng pumili kayo ng mas matagal na babayaran para at least kahit papano hindi kayo mahirapan. So ngayon guys, kapag nakita nyo na kung nagustuhan ninyo, yung kung saan nyo kaya, then pwede nyo i-click yung Avail Now. Pagka-click nyo guys ng Avail Now, lalabas ito. Cash now with your BDO credit card. Please fill in the fields below and we will get in touch with you. Indicates required asterisk indicates required fields. Ngayon guys, yung mangyayari dyan is tatawagan kayo ni BDO kapag na-receive nila yung request ninyo na magka-cash it easy kayo or magko-convert kayo ng credit limit nyo into cash. So yung kailangan nyo guys i-provide is yung certain details na kinakailangan nila. Note lang na kapag naka-asterisk is kailangan talaga siya. Please indicate the details as it appears on your BDO credit card. So sa credit card ninyo guys na meron kayo, tingnan ninyo yung credit card ninyo, first name. So kung ano yung first name sa credit card ninyo, yun yung ilalagay nyo. Kung may middle name, ilagay nyo rin. Tapos last name. Yung surname, yung importante yun kasi naka-asterisk siya guys. Kung may suffix kayo, kung kayo ay senior, the third, the second, ganyan. Card type, pipili kayo ngayon kung Shopmore, Visa Gold, Gold Mastercard, or Platinum. Then, last 4 digits of BDO credit card. Yung last digits guys, alam niyo naman siguro, di ba may 16 digits yung credit card number, yung last 4 digits, yan yung ilalagay nyo sa last 4 digits of BDO credit card. And then dapo tayo ngayon sa cash installment details. Must be at least 10,000 pesos. Cash installment amount is subject to available credit limit and BDO's approval. So, kailangan guys, hindi lalagpas doon sa available credit limit ninyo. Di ba kanina na-check ninyo yung possible monthly amortization? Tapos, kung magkano yung possible monthly amortization, halimbawa dun sa 36 months, so kung magkano yung monthly amortization sa 36 months, i-multiply nyo siya by 36. Tapos yung result, kailangan hindi lalagpas sa available credit limit ninyo para hindi ma-decline yung application ninyo. Dapat kino-consider nyo rin yan. And then, nandito sa baba, nakalagay, terms and conditions, I agree to bound by the cash installment terms. Kailangan nyo lang i-agree yan guys para ma-push through yung ninyo, application. Tapos, pagka-agree nyo, makikita nyo, I'm not a robot. So, kailangan yung dumaan dyan sa screening na yan para malaman na hindi kayo robot. Then, i-click nyo siya. Pagka-click nyo, makikita nyo yung submit. Ayan. Pwede nyo lang i-click yung submit ngayon kapag na-verify nila hindi ka robot at ikaw ay human. So, submit nyo lang, lalabas ito. Thank you, we have received your cash installment request. Your reference number is, ayan, makikita nyo yung reference number. I-keep nyo yan guys. Kailangan yung itago yung reference number kasi importante yan for your future reference. Please expect a call from our BDO telemarketing representative in at least 2 business days to facilitate the request. Ngayon guys, sila yung tatawag sa inyo tulad ng sabi ko kanina para i-confirm yung application ninyo ng pag-loan ninyo gamit yung BDO credit card ninyo or pag-convert ng available credit limit into cash. Ngayon guys, i-click nyo lang yung done. Then tapos na. Antayin nyo na lang yung tawag nila para sa further transactions regarding sa pag-convert ninyo ng credit limit ninyo into cash. So ito guys, take note lang na itong gagawin ninyo is may additional service charge siya which is 200 pesos. Dapat aware kayo doon kasi kapag na-approve yung application ninyo, may magre-reflect sa statement of account ninyo na availment fee which is 200 pesos. Tapos may additional interest siya tulad ng sabi ko may 0.45 kung naka-promo pero kung regular interest is 1% siya. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!